guys, check it out, this beautiful place, my hometown, the place where I grew up, and I'm stoked to be back for a little bit. But today I'm gonna go settle something. One of my friends went and checked out a waterfall nearby here, and he said it was the most epic waterfall in the North Island of New Zealand. Now that is a massive statement, so today I'm gonna drive off, go check it out and see if it's gonna live up to that name, and I'm gonna take you along for the ride. We have made it about half an hour from Taupo, and check it out. It is not only one waterfall, but there's another one back in there that you might not be able to see, but of course it's quite a way away, so I'm going to chuck the drone up and see. In case you were wondering how to get to the car park to the waterfall, Napier is about 40 minutes that way, and Taupo is about 30 minutes that way. Super easy. Napier Taupo Road, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, car park, waterfall.